Her house always smells amazing and people don't know why. This is her secret. This secret spray works on everything and smells more amazing than anything you can buy. Want to learn how to make a universal spray that works on anything and actually smells better than something you could buy in the store? Sometimes you will walk into a place of business, or somebody's home, and be blown away by the amazing scent that the place has. It doesn't smell like the typical fragrances in a can, yet it still is strong enough for you to definitely notice. What is it? It may very well be a secret spray which is actually homemade. While it mimics the air freshener Febreze, it actually smells much better and does not contain fabric softener. Not to mention it's a whole lot cheaper to make. For instance, a homemade bottle which would last you just as long as the popular store-bought brand, will only cost you 60 cents to make. One of the key ingredients used in this secret DIY spray are those little beads that you throw in your wash called Downy Unstoppables, which come in different scents. One bottle of the homemade stuff only costs 60 cents and will last the same amount of time or longer. Unless you get addicted to the smell and use it non-stop. No promises. One ingredient really makes this DIY air freshener stand out from the rest, and that's Downy Unstoppables. If you haven't seen or used them, they're those little beads that you can throw into your wash to make clothes smell amazing. They come in a few different scents. Take a quarter cup of the Downy beads, then 4 tablespoons of baking soda and 1 cup of boiling water. You will also need an empty spray bottle. Take a funnel and put the ingredients into the spray bottle. This spray works on most anything, such as carpets, curtains, clothes and even furniture. It's great for nasty smelling dog beds too. No residue and no film left behind. Now you can be one of those homes that have that noticeable aroma about them that smells fantastic.